For many years, JNF Australia has been a very warm partner to KKL, supporting beautiful projects throughout the country, many that do with education and environment. And here we are in Rosh Tzipor, the heart of Tel Aviv, a beautiful birding park. We're excited that Debbie and John Schaffer will be visiting this project today at Rosh Tzipor. They were very supportive of other projects throughout the country, as in the community of Merchav Am, developing playgrounds there and landscaping, and in Nir Am, developing an outdoor classroom.
To actually create something that really will last for many, many years, attracting birds, attracting people, is fantastic.
When we made the commitment here many years ago, we never thought that it would end up as beautiful as it has become.
We demonstrate here all kinds of local plants and make all kinds of habitats that can attract local birds.
Whether we're helping birds, animals, particularly people, particularly children, develop a normal life in very difficult circumstances. It's a pleasure to be involved.
And we always know that there'll be a future for Israel.
On behalf of the Morris and Schaffer families, we'd like to thank JNF for the opportunity, and it is our combined pleasure to create such beauty, nature and well-being for hopefully very many people and birds and animals in the future.